In this video, I'll guide you through a hands-on comparison between Kling 2.0 and Sora. Both are state-of-the-art AI video generators, but how do they perform when given the exact same creative prompt? Let's find out together. Here, you can see the Kling 2.0 interface. It includes previous models, but the main focus is on two powerful features: image to video and text to video. These options are currently the most talked about in the AI video space. For today's demo, we'll primarily explore image to video, with a quick look at text to video as well. Using Kling 2.0 is simple. Just upload a photo, enter your prompt, and you're ready to go. You can even set a starting frame, though the end frame isn't customizable yet. Now, let's jump into the testing and see how Kling 2.0 performs in action. Here's the first prompt. A man laughs happily, then suddenly becomes angry and pounds the table. Let's see what Kling 2.0 generates. Wow, this looks incredibly realistic. The way he slams the table really captures the emotion. It feels like a scene from a movie. Now, let's see how Sora handles the same prompt. As you can see, Sora didn't quite get it right. There are two people in the frame, and neither of them actually hits the table. So, for this prompt, Kling 2.0 is clearly the winner. Moving on to the next example. A girl quietly sits on a park bench, then slowly walks out of frame as the morning light shifts to a harsh noon sun. Let's check out the results. Wow, the background looks stunning. The lighting changes are smooth, and the details on the bench and the leaves to the right look almost lifelike. It's so realistic, it reminds me of high-end video game graphics. Now, let's see how Sora performs with this prompt. The table in the scene looks a bit odd, and the people in the background all move in the same, unnatural way. Not as realistic as Kling 2.0, as you can see. So, for this test as well, Kling 2.0 takes the win. Let's move on to the next prompt. A dinosaur attacks a human. The dinosaur charges toward the camera, with motion blur and camera shake. This one should be interesting. Let's see what Kling 2.0 delivers. Wow, the visuals are intense. The dinosaur's movement is dramatic, but at the end, the hand flying away feels a bit off and takes away from the overall realism. Now, let's check out Sora's version. Impressive. The dinosaur's movement looks much more natural, and the hand animation is spot on. For this prompt, I think Sora takes the win over Kling 2.0. Next up, we have a skateboarding scene. A young skateboarder performs epic tricks with continuous movement around him. Let's see how Kling 2.0 handles this. The result looks fantastic. The jumps, the spins, and the skateboard's motion are all smooth. The tires stay in place, and the background details are sharp. This is really impressive. Now, let's compare it to an older version, Kling 1.6. Here, the movement is in slow motion, and if you look closely, the skateboard's tires move in a robotic way, which feels unnatural. This part doesn't quite work for me. So, between Sora and Kling 2.0 for this skateboarding prompt, Kling really shines with its fluid motion and realistic details. Concluding the image to video test, in my opinion, Kling outperforms Sora as per what we observed together. But ultimately, the choice is yours. Which results do you prefer? Do tell in comments. Let's move on to the next test. Text to image. A banquet hall filled with white tables, surrounded by people enjoying a meal. This looks fantastic. The banquet hall is vibrant, the food looks delicious, and the crowd adds a lively atmosphere. The background details are especially impressive. Now, let's compare this with Sora's generation. Sora also produces a great result. Honestly, for this type of scene, both tools perform well. Since the number of people and the overall look can be easily adjusted by tweaking the prompt, there's not much need for a detailed comparison here. Moving on to the next prompt. An elderly woman uses a mobile phone while sipping coffee, with backlighting during the evening. Let's see what Kling 2.0 creates. The result looks good. natural lighting and a cozy vibe. Now, let's check Sora's version. Both outputs are impressive. The only noticeable difference is the type of smartphone. They aren't using an Apple device, which is a fun detail. If you're curious about why Apple craze is dying, check out the video link in the I button for more insights. Let's move on to the next stuff. Now, let's explore the third function, Kling 2.0's multimodal features. Here's how it works. We start with an original video of a person walking along the side of a river. Next, we use the prompt, panda, to replace the person with a panda in the same scene. The result is impressive. The panda fits naturally into the environment, and even the birds in the background move as if they're not bothered by the new visitor. It's a fun and creative transformation. Let's move on to another example. A cute girl opens a box and looks surprised. At first, the box is empty, so I decided to modify the prompt and add a small gift inside. Now, when she opens the box, she's surprised to see a real present. This little detail makes the scene even more charming and realistic. Here's another interesting case. Imagine a video of a parrot flying freely through a forest. Using Kling 2.0, I gave the prompt to remove the parrot from the video. The final result shows the same camera movement, but the parrot is gone. If you look closely, you might notice a slight vibration or color shift where the parrot used to be, but overall, the effect is convincing. Now, let's try out Kling's image editing capabilities. For example, I selected a photo of a cat and used the prompt to add cool sunglasses. The result? The cat now sports stylish glasses, blending seamlessly with the original image. Let's try another. I took a photo of a girl, cropped it for a better composition, and used a prompt to make her dance freely with flowers adorning the scene. The transformation is impressive and really showcases the creative power of Kling 2.0. What do you think? The possibilities with Kling 2.0 are truly endless. You can bring almost any idea to life with just a prompt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. We share amazing content like this regularly. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.